Previously on Ready to Die.
They're like, oh, those are the Instagram eyebrows. Okay, what about it? Creasing, a little bit. What my ears gotta do with my passport?
No, listen. You know how I feel about you. Infinite.
Okay, so here's the tea. I have to go to a work event, work meeting, blah, blah, blah. Silly old me, my passport is expired. It's been expired for like 2 years now. I need to go get that done so I can go because the meeting is out of Canada. So, I was just searching with my mother for the past like hour trying to get an appointment to go and get this done. There is nowhere. Literally, I had one that was for tomorrow. Boom, 2 seconds, it was gone. I was like, are you serious? We're gonna try to go to a walk-in, not today, Tuesday, to see if I can get my passport without an appointment. I'm gonna put the rush on them. I don't care because I have to pay the extra money, man. But first and foremost, I need my pictures done. And it'll be a little cute, little nice. So we're gonna wash my face, put some sunscreen on, do our makeup for my passport pictures, blah, blah, blah. Because if I showed y'all my old one, you would be disgusted. You'd be disgusted. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I really can't wait to go and take these pictures. I'll leave my actual like mirror. Hold on. I have been trying to plan a trip to New York for a very long time. It's finally come true. But anyways, I did my skincare routine. I just put some like sunscreen on, like nothing crazy. You guys have already seen it. If you haven't, go watch my, maybe I'll make a new skincare routine video. We're just gonna get started. I have a few things that I want to try. Not like a few products, but a few different items. Not a few products, but a few different techniques. I'll go ahead with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Oh, there we go. I was supposed to be like, girl, I just bought you. What's going on? And we're just gonna put it all over my face. It's gonna look white because of my sunscreen. We're gonna make sure that we get like in the creases, bro. The T-zones. Still covering those dark marks that are slowly fading. For the color correcting, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange Corrector. Okay. And then we're gonna use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color 6. My eyebrows look a little thick. They're a little thick for me. I like a thin brow. Gotta give myself a little bit of a wing, or not a wing, like the end. My dad literally doesn't have eyebrows. My mother barely has any. So I am lucky I got as much as I did. Like, I like to watch stuff when I do my makeup. I like to be listening to something, and I can't do that when I am doing this. We're just gonna hide the fact that I literally don't sleep. I finished Gone Girl. Oh my gosh, guys, if you haven't read Gone Girl, haven't watched the movies, go pick up the book right now and get to reading. Oh my god, that book really had me in shambles. How long did it take me to read? A very long time. The ending was not what I thought it was gonna be. There was a lot of twists and turns. I'm not gonna like spoil it for y'all, but the ending was definitely not what I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I don't know if I should, you know what, we're gonna spray this after I put my concealer down. We're gonna go with Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Walnut. And do boop. I love this concealer. It doesn't move. They don't move. It don't move. Seriously, don't move. Other than my face literally getting oily, my makeup does not move. It doesn't, and it's such a blessing. I love that. And I don't go over like the parts where it has like red there with this, just because it will make my skin too bright in those areas. We're gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer after that, but let me just set her. Like, we're gonna blend away with this like blending brush. Oh, look at that coverage. Oh my god, look at her. We're gonna pat it, and then we're just gonna bring it down a little bit to cover that mark, even though you can still see it. That's why we're gonna go in. Ew, I need to do my eyebrows. Okay, we're gonna do my eyebrows. We're doing this like weird because I'm standing and I can't see now. Ooh. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn to shape my eyebrows. The girls on TikTok are saying that you shouldn't do this, and I don't care. I don't care. They're like, oh, those are the Instagram eyebrows. Okay, what about it? And they look good, That one's still a little bit higher, but I think that's just my eyebrow in general. Anyways, we're gonna let that set a little bit. Anyways, we're gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop by my girl. Was it Alyssa? I think it was Alyssa Ashley. I love this concealer, one, but it's just a little bit too bright. It's a little bit bright, so we use a little bit. This is the color Golden Honey. And we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. We're gonna set it first. Also set the eyebrows. Let it sit, and then we'll blend out the eyebrows, and then we'll blend this. So we're gonna take these angled brush, this one. We're gonna take it and we're gonna blend out the eyebrow. I'm not a girl that likes, I hate foundation actually. For some reason that's too much for me. I'm like, oh my god, now I have makeup all over my face. We're gonna use the same brush that we used to lay the first one, and we're gonna pat it. Usually when I do layers, sometimes it tries to come off. That's where we're gonna pat it. That's why we waited so long for it to set. Oh my god, look at that. Just flawless. I have officially given up on nose contour. I can't do it. Personally, I have a big nose. It's not a surprise. It's not a secret. It's on the middle of my face and everybody can see it, right? It doesn't work. So it's like, what am I doing this for? This is Pro Bronzer Natural Sun-Kissed Radiance by Absolute New York in the color Dark. Got it from the beauty supply store. What I like to do, if I don't know too much about the technique itself, I'm going to the beauty supply store. I'm gonna pick up whatever's there. I'm gonna try that. And once I figure out how to do it, ooh girl, it's over for you. That's when I start spending a lot of money. And why am I spending so much money on a product that I don't even know how to use? So there, it kind of just blends everything in. Are passport pictures in color? Because does blush actually matter? Hold on, let's ask Google.
Your photos may be in color or in black and white.
So they can be color per. Okay, so that's we're gonna put the blush. I love blush. We're just gonna put it on the apple. We're like not the apple. We're putting them back here. The reason why like everything is so focused to go this way is to slim the face. Once you learn like what type of face that you have, oh my god girl, the world opens up to you once you know how to do it. We're gonna do a little blush on the nose, a little cuteness. I'm scared. We're gonna set. I just wet my beauty blender. Okay, we're gonna take the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. We're gonna set. I'm so scared. Okay. Oh wow. We're not gonna bake. No, we're just gonna set. Creasing, a little bit. Okay. Bake my forehead. Guys, if this ends up bad, it's okay. It's fine. Big fluffy brush. I don't really care what it is. It's a big one. And smooth away. I don't like it on my forehead. Oh my god, look at it. What if I put this on and I go and they're like, you're wearing too much makeup, we literally can't tell you apart. Excuse me, these call me a catfish? I used to be that girl in high school. If I had mascara on my lid, I didn't care. I didn't care. So hair is done, makeup is done. Do I really like my makeup? Not really, but it's not that serious. This is the outfit. It's just gonna be a crop top. You're only gonna see like my chest here, so it's not that serious. We got some earrings in. And that is it. That is us. I want to come back, and I want to go back to bed. We're at the Shoppers Drug Mart. We're going to go take my pictures. I just want this to be done, and I just want to have my passport in my hand. Low-key upset because I have to show my ears. Why am I showing my ears? You don't need to see my ears. She's like, you gotta show them. And I'm like, I don't want to show my ears. I don't know if I like them. I might go to a different place and get them again if I don't have to pay for them. But yeah, it just depends. I was so irritated because I didn't want to show my ears. She's like, you have to. And I'm like, I don't want to show my ears. I'm gonna mess up the whole thing.
Did you get the picture?
Yeah. They're actually not bad.
It's pretty.
Oh, she likes them. Once I know my mom likes them, I know that they're good.
It's pretty.
What my ears gotta do with my passport?
It is pretty.
They're cute, yeah. I guess if mom says so.
Cute.
I'm glad I didn't book the trip as yet because the time got moved to a week later. Like, I was looking at the reviews of the place. They're like, if you don't have your ticket booked and it's not within 26 days, you can forget about it. They're gonna tell you to leave. So I'm like, right. So literally tomorrow, if we had left the day that we were supposed to be, it would have been 26 days exactly until I would have to leave, and then they would expedite it. But I have to wait. I started to feel like really weak, and I was like, I wonder why I feel like this. It's literally because it's 7 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't had a meal yet. I'm starved. Lord have mercy, let me eat something. Okay, so the girls just came back from Best Buy. I bought one thing and it was this USB-C hub. I have one already, but that one's broken. And the reason why you guys didn't get a video last week was because that thing was broken. Okay, I can't do much about it, right? He just had his dinner. He needs a haircut. We're gonna do some editing. And then, oh yeah, update for the passport. There's not really an update. I don't know, I kind of just really like these vlogs where I just could talk to you guys and just like chill. But yeah, I forgot to say this was $60. I'm not happy about that. Okay, so the makeup is done. I really do like it. I just don't like foundation. I already told y'all this. I don't like foundation, okay? What do I want to do with my hair? I don't know, but my head is itchy, bro. Since I look cute, I have to take pictures. I have to check if I wore this top on my Instagram yet. I don't think I have. Oh, yes I did. That was like a while back. God, throwback to when I didn't know how to do my makeup. That's crazy. I really don't know what I want to do. Oh, not the lace lifting. Don't look over there. If it comes off, it comes off and I'm going to bed. That's it. Light skin friend look like Michael Jackson. Definitely set this party alright. Oh. What did I put my earring in? I think I need a bag. A bag will do me good. I kind of hate the bag. Oh, not my undies too. She's kind of my face still. I believe we got the pictures. I'm trying to think of another outfit, but I really can't think of another outfit. That's the dilemma. But I'm also kind of tired. Like, I really want to take this makeup off now, but I want to. Your girl just took her graduation pictures and I think they came out very nice. They didn't, I'm retaking them, so it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go go pick up my passport, and the line here is like ridiculous. We are in Mississauga and we're gonna go to Square One.
What this person is doing there?
He's just living life. Like, I was looking at the reviews for this place. Ooh. It wrapped around the whole plaza. So thankfully I don't have to wait in that line. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't have to wait in that line. But let me go get my passport. I got my passport. She's in my hand. See? The blessings of the Lord got rid of his passport. So fast and easy, no problem. I'm just so happy I have it.
Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.